this one kind of looks like shiny swamp water. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today I'm still trying to play catch up. Did that just sound like I was talking about a hot dog condiment? Even though I don't put ketchup on hot dogs, I put mayonnaise on hot dogs. Is that weird? I feel like that's probably weird. Anywho, back to Earth. Today I am trying to play more catch up because we have two more boxes here, one from last month and one from this month, I'm hoping. I hope these aren't that old. So I have two Macy's beauty boxes here. One of them, just like, look how perfectly cubular, rectangular this is here. And the other one looks like I sat on it. So I'm just gonna go for like the smushed one first. Oh, I just pulled back my cuticle. Okay. Oh, the bag's really cute. Oh, I like that. Okay, so this one is, oops. It says we had to substitute one of the samples in your boxes. Sorry about that, but don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. And I have two of them, so I don't know if that means I had to do it twice. So here is the little card that ruins all the surprises on front. Inside, we'll have a little coupon here that you can use from Macy's online for a beauty purchase. And then on the inside, it'll tell you a little bit more about the items inside of the bag. Again, not sure what month this is from. So sorry, but I actually really like this bag. I like the really soft, like pleathery leather looking outside. These cute little eyeballs on it. I think that's very adorable. Inside we have our classic standard little pink sushi roll, which sushi sounds so good right now. I'm so hungry, which probably is not a surprise to any of you guys. Oh, all right. So from just surveying what I just rolled out, I feel like there's going to be a lot of skincare in here, but it looks like a decent sized stuff, so that's pretty good. Oh, I totally forgot to tell you what Macy's Beauty Box is. Macy's is a $15 a month beauty subscription. Inside, you're going to get like 5 and 6 sample size. Sometimes every now and then they'll throw in like a trial size. One time I think we even got a full size thing, which was pretty cool. And those will be like a beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care kind of items. So now we can go ahead and move on into the box. I'm going to grab out the perfume sample first. This is from Givenchy, and this is the Linterdit. So this is just a standard little spritzy bottle. We'll get a quick spritz and a sniff. Ooh, oh, it smells like soap. I'm really having a hard time picking up on what this is supposed to smell like. On the inside, it says the shocking side of chic. There's no way. The shocking side of chic, a forbidden blend of white flower and dark accord, a resolutely underground flower. I don't know if that means it literally grows underground or if it's just like kind of not well known. This smells very interesting to me. It's almost like kind of like soapy, powdery, but also a little bit masculine. I don't know what this smells like. Okie dokie. Next up in here, we got a little bottle of stuff. This is a cleansing spa water from Kojendo. What you do though? Oh, it's a makeup remover. Okay, I was really confused for a second. This has 0% smell, so it's just kind of like a liquid makeup remover. It says it is infused with 6 essential herbs and there's no oil in it. And it's supposed to quickly remove your makeup. I've been using micellar water. Sorry about this here. I've been using micellar water to take off my makeup with a makeup eraser. It's been working out really, really well. So I'll give this a try. Oh, okay. I'm actually excited about this. And typically I don't get like too excited about the skincare stuff, but this is from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream for Anti-Aging. And I gotta say, I've recently been using Elemis stuff because I've received a bunch of them in like subscription boxes, and they're so daggone expensive. Like, I would never in my life purchase a $120 cream, but they work so well. I feel like my skin just feels so much better since I've been using them, and it makes me literally angry because it works too good. And I know that I'm probably, once I'm out, never gonna purchase them again. But I got a little extra sample here, so that's good. So here is the sample itself. You know, not a giant size sample, but we do get ½ an ounce in here, which is probably like 30 bucks or something. Ooh, okay, so we actually do have a couple little makeup items in here. At first I thought everything was skincare. So we have something from Grande, which apparently they're good at growing everything. They have all sorts of stuff. So this is a lash boosting mascara that is supposed to be ophthalmologist approved. I'm actually not sure what an ophthalmologist is. It's so tiny. Okay, so here's the box and there's the little mascara. I don't know, I was expecting something a little more substantial just because the box was kind of big. But this is interesting. You don't really see too many like clear mascara tubes. This one's actually clear where you can see the product. Ooh. I don't know why I keep smelling it. It doesn't smell very good. So here is the little mascara nib. The little wand itself is actually pretty short in the sample, but like this part with the bristles is, you know, decently big. Why do I keep smelling it? I don't know why I thought swatching mascara on my hand would be something that would work, but there it is. There it is. I don't know what I've gained from this. It maybe isn't like the blackest black ever. It's almost like really, really dark charcoal. But yeah, I'll give this a try. It's just, no one needs a box this size for something this tiny. Ooh, okay. So next up here, we have another kind of sizable box. It'll probably be something like this big on the inside of it. But this is from Perricone MD. And for some reason, I feel like this is going to be a highly expensive product. This is a cold plasma plus neck and chest. A sizable pamphlet. Oh, and look at it. Yep, okay. I was right. There is the product, and this is the box it came in. I don't know, I just feel like there's a little bit of a disconnect between this and this. It has just like the very, very faintest hint of a scent. It's kind of like almost a light yellow color. I typically would like swatch a cream like this, but for some reason in my mind, this is what I'm holding is like $50. So I'm probably not gonna swatch it just because I don't want to waste any of it. But the directions here are to apply liberally to cleansed neck and chest. Oh, is this just for your neck and chest? Never in my life have I had a cream specifically for my neck and chest. That's new. And then finally, the very last thing in here is a moisturizing lipstick, and this actually looks like it might be a full size. This is from the brand Real Her, and I've received several things from them before in subscription boxes. I do have the packaging of this. I really like black and white together. It's just kind of like a light plastic and says Real Her here on the top. Mine is in the shade. I've got this. Oh, okay. It's actually in a really pretty berry color. I like this color. I think it's like nice and like kind of subtle, but still like, you know, but also like nice and pinky. All right, you guys, so that was everything in the first box. I am gonna go ahead and see what was different inside of my box, and then also kind of give you guys some full-size prices of these items. So the first thing we have is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. The full size of it is $128. Yeah, I like it, but I'll probably never get it again. Aha! All right, so the Perricone MD, the full size of it is $89. I really wish they would tell us like what the full size volume is, because I could give you guys kind of an estimate of how much this cost. But yeah, probably an expensive little sample. Then we have the Givenchy Literature Dance, which is $110 full size. Then we have the Grande Cosmetics Mascara, which is $25 full size. The Real Her Moisturizing Lipstick, which is $18, and this is a full size, so that already goes ahead and pays for the entire box itself. And then apparently this is the product that was not included in my box. The Winky Lux Disco Gloss in Far Out Blue. What did I get instead? Oh, I think I got this instead. And honestly, I think I might actually get more use out of this like makeup remover than I would a blue lip gloss. So yeah, I have no idea if that box was from last month or from this month. I guess I'll have to look it up after this, and I'll put it on the screen for you guys so you all know. But let's go ahead and move on into this box right here. These boxes are kind of weird. I'm not 100% sure how they're supposed to be opened. I guess that works. Oh, very interesting. This is one of the strangest makeup bags I've ever received in Macy's. Can you all listen to the crunch? It's like cellophane. This is literally what I imagine like all of the clothing in Xenon was made out of. It also kind of looks like a heat blanket in case of emergencies. I cannot stop crunching it. Strange. Anyway, so here is the little roll of products inside of there. And again, we have our little pamphlet, and inside, ooh, fancy. This time we have a $10 off your beauty purchase. So I'm gonna go for the perfume samples first. We do have two different perfume samples here, and both of them are from Alien. I like the name of that perfume brand. So we have Muggler. I like that name. It kind of reminds me of Harry Potter a little bit. So I believe that this is, wow, that's a bottle. I believe that this is the Parfum, and that is the bottle that it would come in if you were to purchase the full-size thing. It looks like Thanos. Ooh, that's a different kind of smell. Like bright smelling perfume. I'm not exactly sure how to describe it. Kind of like citrusy, a little bit floral. I don't know if any of that's right. And let's go ahead and give the Alien Man Muggler a try. Ooh, that smells pretty good actually. This one's kind of like spicy and musky. I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the actual products. The very first thing we have in here is from SK2, and this is a facial treatment essence, and I'm fairly certain this like liquid right here is very expensive. So here is the essence, and this is like 1 in 50 million steps of a skincare routine. But like I said, I think this is pretty pricey, and you do get a decent amount in here. This is 1 fluid ounce, so that's pretty nice. Okie dokie. Next up, we have this little guy here, which is actually a tiny little sample of the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Most of us have heard of like the fancy schmancy beauty gurus using this powder all the time, and I do think it's actually pretty nice. Ooh, I love these things. Okay, so this is from Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Firm X Peeling Gel Exfoliant, and this actually like goes onto your skin, and then you rub it around, and as you rub it around, like your dead skin comes off and kind of like rolls up into little balls. That sounds super gross, but it's actually really fun to like see happen. It says visibly roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells when massaged into skin. That sounds real fun to me. I will most definitely be giving this a try probably tonight. All right, the next thing we have in here looks very adorable. This is Skin Glow by Skin Gym, an all natural rose quartz hydrogel mask. Rose quartz. I didn't know you could get rose quartz inside of a mask. I thought that was some type of like rock. So this comes in a pretty pink little outer package, and you can tell that there are 2 little boomerangs inside. Oh, that's cute. They're kind of shaped interestingly with like a little swoosh and then a heart at the end. So those are kind of adorable. These are supposed to be all natural, vegan, no parabens, sulfates, artificial dyes, or fragrances, and no animal testing. So that is nice. Is this real? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. I saw this setting down like this at first, and I thought it was going to be something from Becca, like maybe I don't know what Becca has. Anyway, this is from Stila. This is a Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Fairy Tale. I'm so excited about this. I love these things. And it is a full size. I'm just very excited right now. And I also don't have this shade, which makes me even more excited. So this is the Glitter and Glow in the shade. Oh. Okay, let me try that again. Okay, so I was like super excited, and I still think it's pretty cool that there is a full size in here, but that's not typically what the Glitter and Glow shadows look like. This is kind of not the best. It's a little bit of like a baby duty color with some gold glitter in it. Typically these Glitter and Glow eyeshadows are like super glittery, and they're very pretty. I'm gonna try to really scoop some onto this little thing here. Maybe if I pat it. So maybe you could work this into like an eyeshadow look and it might work out okay, but typically these are just like full glitter, and you can literally just coat your entire lip with them and just have a beautiful glitter look. Let me go see if I have one actually so we can kind of compare. All right, so this one I've actually had for like a long time, and it's kind of dried out, but this is in the shade Diamond Dust, and let me just show y'all what I mean. Okay, so even like on its way out the door, pretty dried out. This is what it looks like swatched compared to the one that I just received in this box. I don't know if y'all can tell a difference, but I can tell a bit of a difference here. So this one is very glittery, very just like packed in there, and this one kind of looks like shiny swamp water. So there's a bit of a difference here. And you know, I was very excited, and I'm not gonna say I'm like devastated or anything, but I'm a little bit sad. Okay, that's something. There we go. All right, so if you pat it looks like mud. All right, you guys, so I went from like extreme excitement to kind of like but let's go ahead and look at some full-size pricing anyway. So we have the Peter Thomas Roth Thingamabob, the peeling gel. Pretty excited about this. This is $48 full size. Then we have the little cute under eye pads. These are $5. Next we have this right here, which is $179 for 5.4 ounces. And this is a full 1 ounce of it. So if you know how to do math, I bet you can figure out how much this is worth. Then we have our full-size Stila Glitter and Glow, which is $24. So I mean, that's good. That definitely pays for the whole thing of the box. And I'm gonna make it work. I think it'll look okay. Like right there is looking pretty good. So we'll figure out how to make that work a little bit better. Then we have the Laura Mercier setting powder, which is $38 full size. And finally, the 2 different alien colognes, which is $120 for 2 ounces for the perfume, and then the cologne is $88 for 3.4 ounces. That seems like a big price difference. Anyway, you guys, that is everything I have for the 2 Macy's beauty box unboxings. Again, no idea which month is what. Overall, I think I'm really happy with the boxes. We did get a full size like in both of our boxes, which is really nice to see, and I definitely think we got like our monies back, which is really good. The bags for both boxes I thought were actually really cool. This one, I can't stop crunching it. So overall, I'm pretty happy with both of the boxes, but I would love to hear what you guys think. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. And yeah, I guess that's all I have for you guys today. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!